everyone, this will be a quick video to prove that for f of x equals 10 to the power 2x plus 1, where x is a non-negative integer, that the difference f of x plus 2 minus f of x is divisible by 99. So let's get started. I'll just start with proof. I like to do problems like these in small steps because sometimes the function you're given to work with is very complicated. And if you work in smaller steps, you can reduce some of the confusion for yourself and also for the person grading you if this is homework or a test. Another benefit is if you do it in smaller steps during a test, you'll have an easier time keeping track of how things are going, even though you might be feeling nervous or pressed for time. So I know f of x is 10 to the 2x plus 1 by given, which means f of x plus 2 is just going to be every time I see an x, I plug in an x plus 2. I distribute the 2 to get 2x plus 4 plus 1. And then I'm going to rewrite this to be 10 to the 2x plus 1 plus 4. Now, why would I want to do this? I want to do this because I see that 2x plus 1, which is exactly how f of x is defined. I do have that extra 4 in the exponent, but because of exponent properties, I can rewrite this as a product. So I'm going to use the same base. This is just by exponent properties. This is really 10 to the 2x plus 1 times 10 to the 4th power. And remember, 10 to the 4th power is just 1 with 4 zeros behind it. And because multiplication is commutative, I can rewrite this as 10,000, right? 1 with 4 zeros behind it, times 10 to the 2x plus 1. Now, I'm looking at this difference, right? And I know that this over here that we just figured out, that's f of x plus 2. So I can just do 10,000 times 10 to the 2x plus 1. And then I subtract f of x, which is 10 to the 2x plus 1. The reason why I wrote it this way is so that I could factor out the 10 to the 2x plus 1. So I'm just going to put it in front. And notice this is just going to be 10,000 times 1. I don't even need to write that. And then over here I have minus 1. Notice if I distribute this back, I'm going to get exactly what I had in the previous step. And this is a really great tip, especially during a test. You want to check as you go. So check every line as you write it, instead of waiting to finish everything and then going back to the beginning and starting to check it that way. It'll just take more time because you have to reacquaint yourself with every problem. And also, you might run out of time that way too. So just try it and see how it works. I'm going to keep this. And then 10,000 minus 1 is just going to be 9,999. And because we want to prove that this product is divisible by 99, we can rewrite 9,999 as 99 times 101. Okay, so this would be 10 to the 2x plus 1 times 99 times 101. And now notice that if we put this all together, we have f of x plus 2 minus f of x equals 99 times 101 times 10 to the 2x plus 1. It's obvious at this point that 99 divides f of x plus 2 minus f of x, and I would even be more specific. I would put it in brackets. Another way that you can write this, right? You're done at this point. Another way you can write this is using the divisibility notation to say that 99 divides f of x plus 2 minus f of x, but that's not strictly speaking necessary.